So you arrive at the hospital on the 23rd at about midday. You don't see a doctor until the 26th at about 9 o'clock, and you have severe COVID infection. So by that time, because his kidney functions had not been attended to, in fact, they didn't even know that, the doctors that were looking after him. They didn't assess his chest x-rays. They've never seen them until we're interviewing them.
Lobukelele tikhalo ngetempilo Professor Malekgapuru Makgoba uchaze ngesimo lesilihlazo eThembisa Tertiary Hospital lesiholele ekushoneni kwaShonisani Lethole ngenhlaba eminyakeni lowengcile ngemva kokuthi angene kulesibhedlela ngenkinga yokuphefumula.
The medical care that was rendered to Mr. Lethole was categorized as substandard by almost every witness that we interviewed. But it had lots of elements of medical negligence that were found by the health ombud. Mr. Lethole's mortality was both avoidable and preventable.
Ngembi kokushona kwakhe Lethole watama ukuxhumana nendvuna yelitiko letempilo Dr. Zweli Mkhize etinkundleni tekuxhumana. Wakhala ngekuthi bekancishwa kudla aphinze yangaphathwa kahle. Makgoba ukuqinisekisile lokhu.
Mr. Lethole was not offered food at Tembisa Hospital for 100 hours and 54 minutes.
Kuthiwa emarekhodi yalesibhedlela awekho esimeni lesihle anikete nemininingwane lengasiyo ngalesikhathi kwendiwa luphenyo. Makgoba uthi munye vo umuntu lo wakhombisa ukuthi sola ngekushona kwaLethole ngalesikhathi seluphenyo.
They never even spoke about Shonisani. That to me was a shock.
Batali balithole bathi nanobe lo mbiko ubakhululile kepha lisilonza sisengapholi.
I knew that he was telling the truth even before. Even though it's hurtful, but we reach a level of saying if it will improve other people's lives, we will feel better about that.
Makgoba uphakamise ukuthi letisebenzi letilishumi nemfica tithathele tinyathelo tokucondziswa tikwekwe. Kusenjalo litiko letempilo eGauteng lithi lisetawubukisisa lo mbiko lonemakhasi langemakhulu 200.